Hello everyone, welcome back to WPGeoBuddy. Today we are going to create a sticky notice bar for your directory site, either in the header or the footer, so that you can show the latest updates on your website to your customers. Or if you have listed a new product, you can also display it as a notice bar here to increase your sales. So what will be in the notice bar? You can set the background, color, style, and so on. There will be a button and you can add your custom URL to that button. You can write the notice text, and if you click close, it will close. If someone refreshes the page again, the notice bar will appear once more. The portion at the bottom is showing up like that because I am logged in with admin access. Let's move on and I will show you in detail by describing it. First of all, to do this, you need to activate the GeoBuddy Announce Bar add-on for the main GeoBuddy plugin, which I have already done after activating the GeoBuddy plugin. After that, you will see a menu here. You need to click on all announcements here so that you can add a new announcement bar. We have already added an announcement bar for testing purposes, which is why it is visible here. Let's turn it off. Then we will go to the home page and refresh the page. Look guys, it has hidden. Now we will create a new one. For that, you can click on add new announcement, or you can also click on add new announcement here. We will click on this. After clicking, we will give it a name here, 2026 latest updates. Right. Here we will add some dummy loading text. Then look here, we can add a button. We will add the button text here like read more or buy now, whatever suits your needs. We will set it to read more for the notice. For the primary button, secondary button, we will keep it as primary. Open link. Here in the hover text, you can write click now. If you hover over it, it will say click now. You will be able to see this text. In the URL, if you have a product, you should put its URL or anything else here according to your needs. We want to open a new tab so that it opens in a new tab when clicked. If you want it to open in the same tab, you need to click and set it to open in same window. Then we come to the display settings. We want to publish it immediately, and for the animation style, we can choose slide or fade. We will choose slide, and we can also schedule it immediately. If we schedule it, the notice bar will be scheduled for that time. Since we want to publish it immediately, we will keep it as immediate. Let's come to the position. We can keep it in the header at the top of the page. We will set it there. You can also keep it at the bottom. We will keep it at the top. Sticky? Yes, let's set it to yes. We will keep the order at 0. And for the layout, which style do we want to keep? I recommend the second one. It looks good. The others are also good. You can choose according to your preference. We will set the content alignment to left. Right. The container width is 1000 pixels. We will make it 1200 pixels. Let's come to the design. The background color is red. Now we can change it to green. Let's make it green. And we will make the font color white. And we will set the size to 16 pixels from here. You can check the rest according to your needs. For the style, we will set the border width to 2 pixels. We will also keep the border color as a grayish type here. Right, we will keep it like this. You can also add padding, 12 pixels, shadow. Yes, we can keep the shadow. If we provide a background image URL, the image will be visible in the background. We can also set the style for the close button here. Right, for the location rule, we will choose show in all pages. We want our notice to be visible on all pages. If we want to hide it on specific pages, we can choose hide in all pages. If we select hide in all pages, the notice bar will be hidden on all pages, show in selected pages. If we want to set it only on the home page, you can assign that page here. Right. So we want it to be visible on all pages for both mobile and desktop. If you want to show it for mobile, then for mobile. If it is only for desktop, then for desktop. You will find all these options here. Right. It is a very excellent add-on. Do use it to make your site even more attractive for your customers. Right? Then we will publish it. After publishing, we will come to the front end. Let's refresh the page. Now boom guys, look at it with a green background and white text. And if you hover over the read more button, the click now hover text appears. Right, now we will close it. Now what we will do is open it in an incognito window so that we can show it to you even better. Now look, it will look like this by default. Right, it is sticky at the top. Right, so if you want a notice bar like this to appear on your directory website so that all your customers know about the latest updates on your directory site. If it is product based, it will be even better. It will be awesome. So if you would like to get this add-on, right, then you will need to come to the WPGeoBuddy.com site. Then you can get this add-on from here. Look, you can purchase this add-on from here. If you wish, you can also take our full GeoDirectory membership, where you need to come to this membership page to buy a single site, 5 site, or unlimited site plan. All the add-ons link are provided in the video description. If you need any help regarding directory related website, you can book a free 30-minute consultation call with us, and the link is provided in the description. Thank you for watching, and please like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video.